Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. I know you guys just seen me talk about Google One and all the benefits for using Google One. But now that you got Google One, don't forget about your benefit of getting YouTube Premium, 3 months for free, starting today or whenever it started, and expires to redeem it 3 months. Well, not 3 months from now. To redeem it, it ends December 31st of this year. So, what do you get with the YouTube Premium? Once again, um, let's just go into the YouTube. You get all the premium. You get all the premium originals. You get YouTube originals. When you know get to a video, and I'm not gonna play the video, but I'm gonna pause it just for a second. All right, when you get to a video, you get the option to download and download the video offline. So you'll be able to download the video offline, and this little thing will pop up say, "Hey, download this video with YouTube Premium, 360 60 pixels resolution or 720 HD." So it'll also give you options on how to purchase and order it. But like I just told you in the previous video, you can get it with the Google One, and my bad for that. And not only that, you get YouTube Music. You get access to your YouTube Music services, which also give you ad free for both YouTube and YouTube Music. So you'll get access to YouTube Music and be able to download mixtapes and things of that sort offline. Not sure why this is not loading up all the way. Maybe because I'm recording, but yeah. So you'll get that. Also, don't forget about Google Play Music. I've done a video recently about how to maximize your usage on Google Play Music, and I believe it'd be the same way with the YouTube Music app, which will allow you to stream your music in your music library, which you can find right here to the side. As you can see, it says subscribe now. But you just go to your music library. Anything you synced up or loaded up, uploaded, or got from the Google Play Store, and added the new albums, you'll be able to listen to those without Wi-Fi or internet access. And I demonstrated that in another video. I'll leave that in the description box as well. So now you get a benefit of YouTube, YouTube Music, Google Play Music. Now, also I want to talk about Play Movies and TV. Now, anything you have in your Play Movies and TV application that you have redeemed, whether it's you rented or you actually bought, and sometimes Google even offers free movies on Google. So you just have to go through the applications, the services that are being offered, and what type of deals do they have. And also now Google is advertising what's on right now, what you can watch for free or so and so like that. And also I got what also helps you benefit from movies and TV app from Google Play, Movies Anywhere. You can link your Google Play Movies account to Movies Anywhere, and you can get whatever movie account you have, you can get all those movies downloaded for free. Now, another thing, I know a lot of you all are data hungry or you don't want to spend a lot of money on data. These two applications will actually help you, and I've done videos about these, Samsung Max and Google Datally. They will help you get Wi-Fi. They will help you save data so you won't go over your high-speed data, so you can finish watching your favorite YouTube videos and movies and music. So keep those two apps in mind. And not only that, don't forget about Google Rewards Opinion application. It will allow you to take surveys. So as you can see, I have $8 in credit in my Google points, so my Google Play credits. And I will leave another description. I'll leave another video link about that. So all these apps play a freaking role, and it's just freaking phenomenal there. A lot of people are not talking about this or trying to figure out how to benefit themselves for, I wouldn't say free content, but content to save you money. And it's all happening through this one application, Google One. Once you sign up and set up, as you can see, I have a benefit alert ready. And if I want to, shop for hotels. Here we go. The most popular destinations on the planet, or in the US anyway. And as you can see, here's my storage. So I would definitely benefit from all this. So yeah, as you can see, I know a lot of my stuff. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you willing to take on Google One and YouTube Premium? All right, it's your boy, Two Phones.